Good morning, students. Today we will study the next chapter of your EVS, Reaching Grandmother's House. In the previous chapter, we studied about Omana's journey till Kottayam, where she reached her Valiamma's house. In this chapter, we will study that Omana reached her Ammuma's house from Valiamma's house. The time is 17th May night and 11:30. They reached their Valiamma's house at night. Valiamma's house was not far from the station, and we had to take 2 auto rickshaws to get there. By then, I was very sleepy and did not even want to eat anything. Now you can see this is the map of Kerala, and this is Kozhikode where their friends dropped, and now this is Kottayamma. They had to hire an auto rickshaw to reach Valiamma's house. She was feeling very sleepy, and they reached the Valiamma's house. And next day they started journey from Valiamma house to Ammuma's house. Now you can see they hired a auto rickshaw and they have reached the bus stand. Now they will be taking bus from this station to reach their Ammuma's house. This is the bus, inside of the bus, and they took ticket from the conductor. Bus was very jam-packed, as you can see. People, how tightly they have been packed in the bus. 2, 3, more than 4, they are sitting in one seat. After a long ride, bus reached the last stop. And I was happy to get off. She was very happy कि शुक्र है उसकी journey finish हुई. And she was saying my legs were stiff. I could hardly stand. She thought that she had reached Ammuma's village, but still their journey had not ended yet. The bus has dropped by the water side. They have to cross that water body also. Now you can see this here. Bus has dropped them till here only, and this is the place where they have to cross this water body to reach Ammuma's house. Here they have to hire a ferry. And then only they will cross this water body to reach their Ammuma's house. In Kerala, as you can see, Kerala is just near the sea coast, and a huge लाइन इज बाउंड्री जो केरला की है वो सी कोस्ट के साथ लगती है, इसलिए बहुत सारा जो समुद्र का पानी है दैट रीचेज द लैंड एंड फॉर्म ए वाटर बॉडी. स्मॉल रिवर्स you can see in the map. The whole boundary of the Kerala is full of this sea coast. sea beaches हैं बहुत ज्यादा यहाँ पे. That's why there are so many water bodies, as water seeps into the land and to form the rivers and small other water bodies, and they have to hire a ferry to reach the other place. She said, I managed to get a place to stand along the railing. See, she is standing along the railing of the ferry. I saw rippling of the still water on the ferry as the ferry moved. जैसे ही बोट पानी में चलती है तो पानी की आवाज आती है बेटा. She was experiencing that sound. This is the beautiful scene of the journey. As you can see, of the water journey, as you can see, there are so many coconut trees, and people also do fishing here. Now Mana is writing, just before the sun disappeared into the water, the ferry reached the island and stopped. it was time for us to get off. Now you can say the sun is getting into the water means sun setting scene. This is sun setting scene. And finally Omana reached their Amuma's place. What a long journey and interesting journey it has been. Now students, there is a question for you. Find the time duration between the given station. As you can see, I have circled some stations as train started from Gandhidham and then Ahmedabad, and main stations which Omana has mentioned, that is Valsad, Udupi, Kozhikode, Kottayam. And you know the arrival time of these station and departure of time of these station. You have to tell me the duration of time it take to reach the other station. Thanks and stay safe.